So our next type is abstract noun. An abstract noun is something you cannot touch, you cannot see, you cannot taste, you cannot smell, you cannot hear, but you can think of or feel it. For example, we can feel the heat, right? We can feel the heat, but we cannot touch or see it. What we can touch or see is the hot object, right? And not the heat. Similarly, we can think of love, but we cannot see or touch the love. Okay, so words like bravery, freedom, courage, wisdom, knowledge, beauty, truth, excellence, anger, friendship, childhood, bravery, all these words are abstract noun. So a name which is given to the quality, state, feeling or emotion is called an abstract noun. Abstract noun cannot be seen or touched. For example, the length of the rope had to be 5 meters. Wisdom cannot be bought. His knowledge about the earth is very good. So here the word length, wisdom and knowledge are the abstract noun because we cannot touch or see these feelings, right? Wisdom, knowledge and length we cannot see, we cannot touch or see it. We can only feel or we can only think of, right? So I hope the abstract noun is clear to you all. Coming to our last type, that is material noun. Material noun is the name of a material. As the name indicates, material noun, it is the name of a material or a substance of which the things are made of. Right, for example, milk, sugar, gold, silver, wood, etc. Now, milk is used, it is the name of a material or a substance of which the things are made of. Right, for example, milk, sugar, gold, silver, wood, etc. Now, milk is used for making various things. You can make curd from milk, you can make cheese from milk, you can make any sweet dish, right? Similarly, we can take wood also. With the help of wood, we can make chair, table, any kind of furniture we can make it. So these are the materials of which the things are made of, right? And material noun is of two types, countable and uncountable. Countable, as you all know, that can be counted. For example, countable nouns are those nouns which can be counted, the items which you can count. For example, books, you can count. Pen, pencil, toffee. So there are so many examples around you which you know which that can be counted, are considered to be as a countable nouns. Uncountable nouns are those items which cannot be counted. For example, sugar. Can you count the sugar? No, you can weigh it but you cannot count it. Same is tea, milk and oil. So I hope the type of nouns are clear to you all. So today what we have discussed, we discussed about what is noun, right? Type of nouns. How many types of nouns are there? Five types of nouns we have discussed. First we discussed about proper noun, then common noun, then collective noun, then abstract noun, and last material noun. So I hope the nouns and the type of nouns is clear to you all. Thank you.